I have had problems with social skills all my life. I went to elementary school in the city, not the one in my small town, and I spent half of the day in the city, half in my town. When I finished elementary school, I realized that I didn't have a single real friend either from school or in the town where I lived at the time, because I was not stationed anywhere, neither here nor there. It is safe to say that I never had a stable company. And so I was in a situation where at the age of 19 I had to start learning how to communicate with other human beings in general. And if you also feel like your social skills are very bad, I wanted to give you one piece of advice that will make it a lot easier for you. Look at the people you need to hang out with like you need to talk to your own brother. If you don't have one, think about what your relationship would be like if you had one. If you have a brother, then you are probably familiar with this. Are you anxiously thinking about what to say next in front of your brother? No. Do you fear your brother's reaction to any of your statements? No. When you talk to your brother, do you feel like you're on a lower level than him? No. And you have to have such a relationship with your friends in order to be relaxed in their company. Because when you look, they already have such a relationship with you. All the things I mentioned that don't exist in them, they have a brother relationship with you, and so you must have too. You have to talk with them like you should be talking to your brother, and then the conversation will be relaxed, and it will go the way you actually want it to go. That's the ultimate goal of every friendship, nice and relaxed relationship. Try to remind yourself to look at it this way as often as possible until it becomes a habit that you won't even think about it anymore, and you will be a social butterfly.